welcome back to another video. Hopefully you watched my last video, and if you didn't, watch that now, because then that'll kind of bring you on to what's happening just here. So in the last video, I'll just give a quick rundown. I took the front seats out and fully cleaned the M3. Just wet vacuumed it and all, just to make it all nice, smell good, and just make sure it was clean. It was disgusting, so great. But I left the seats out, and that was for a reason, and I'm not even going to mess around. Let's just talk about the reason right now. I'm putting these in. So these are Recaro CS, and I think they look phenomenal. So I actually had these in my M4, made a video of it. I don't know if I'll show that. You can obviously see that's silver because they were silver. They were all silver, and I don't know, I just wasn't a fan of it, so I have just sprayed them all satin black, bar this one, because I have no clue how to get this back bit off. But I can get it off, but basically in here I can't get this disconnected from the tilt function. So if anyone knows how to do that, I will keep doing some research, but if anyone knows, let me know. But yeah, I need to do that so that they will be all black. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do in this video, is put these in. Trickiest bit is down here. You can see that the seat belt actually goes into the seat frame. On the M4 it didn't do that, so it was nice and easy, so kind of gave me a wee bit of a moment of head scratching. So I will show you how I've tackled it all, and we'll do it on the other side, so stay tuned.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life.
First off, the bit I was talking about with the seatbelt is here. So it is just a bolt that kind of threads into the side of the OEM seats, and then there's a little kind of stay bitty. So there is a hole on the Recaro seats, which I'll just go over to them now and show you. So over on the Recaro seats, this is the seat, frame, and there's this hole here which is just slightly smaller than the bolt there. So just need to thingy it out a wee bitty to, I think it's an 8.5 bit, which is right here. Thingy that out and then thread it, which is an M10. So thread that and then put a little hole here just for that little stay bit, and that's it. So apart from that, it's nice and simple, so I will quickly knock that out and then we'll be getting to put these in the car.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove, no end in sight, just always staying on the move, I'll go all night, if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you care.
So there we go. I have drilled the smaller hole here and then drilled the bigger hole and threaded it. So now we can, well, what I'll do is I'll put the black parts back in this seat and then put it in the car, and then we should be good. So let's do that now. So I did not film putting the seat in because my phone actually died, but basically what I did was took it through the back door and put it through, just because the steering wheel, other side you can put in through the front door. Obviously just being careful. Currently I've got it sitting here, just not bolted, so I need to get it a bit further forward so I can get this in. So let's do that now.
Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more.
Right, that is not going anywhere. Let's see how it works with that little stay in that bolt. And in there, obviously it was a bit tight on this side, just getting in, but I know it's not going to come out, so that's good. Time to just put the seat in, if this focuses. There we go. Which is just the 4 bolts, so that's dead easy. Let's do that now.
Like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide. Follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?
So this is a different day, which you might be able to tell from the lack of sun. But I had to shoot off yesterday, purposely kind of keeping the camera a bit low here. Had to shoot off, so couldn't kind of finish filming the video, showing off how it looks, but the seats are in and they look brilliant. You might actually be able to see slightly through the front here. You can just kind of subtly see. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you because they look great. I'm really happy with how they look. Obviously it's been satin, so that's kind of messed up and this is messed up, but yeah, this is how the seats are looking. Let me wide angle, there you go, matching the armrest, matching the steering wheel, looks brilliant. Leather matching the dash, just all works really nice together. We'll look in the back, that's been messed up a wee bit on the lines, but that's fine. They are slightly, like the Alcantara is slightly different, it is slightly redder back here. I have seen that you can get a dye for that, but to be honest I don't know if it bothers me that much. I only see the front, you can see a wee bit of it there, but in person it's nowhere near as bad as what it is on camera, and when the doors are closed you wouldn't notice it at all, but it does look more noticeable on camera. I suppose with these black bits it kind of shows up a bit more as well. Obviously I need to figure out how to get this off properly without breaking something. Excuse the mess back there, I just had to throw stuff in. Yeah, so I need to figure out that, or if anyone knows, let me know and I will get them off and painted. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with how it looks. There we go around the driver's side as well, but yeah, no, it looks really good. I'm over the moon. I don't know if I've shown it with the like those. There you go. I don't know if I've shown the video of it in the M4. I might include some clips in this video, but it just didn't really work with the white interior, whereas this, just with the black interior, looks great. See the car lowered, nice alloys on it. Yeah, no, it works. I am a big fan, and the black inserts completely change it. Silver I wasn't too keen on. I know it looks like a M Performance sort of steering wheel that you got on the E92s, I think it was, but no, it wasn't for me. Black is the way, and yeah, couldn't be happier. So yeah, I think that's it. I think I showed everything on how they all connect. Obviously there's a bit of kind of red showing there. Might get a bit of carpet fill in that a little bit or something, but overall it's fine. Needs a wee bit of a better clean because it's already been used. So yeah, just those bolts go in here, obviously 4, and then the seat belt goes in down there in the bit that I drilled, threaded, and drilled the other hole just for the little stay. But that's about it. Dead simple, work great. I think I'm going to make some risers just to slightly lift it up a tiny bit. It's just a bit lower than I like on a seat. But yeah, apart from that, I think it's done. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, see you in the next one.
'Cause I've been living life